What's up, y'all? I'm Kanin Cuisine, the smoked lamb specialist. Come get what I do. Let us be your who when it comes to lamb. Today, we're talking about the picky eater. That's right, the picky eater. I grew up being picky as hell, and I know some of y'all can feel me. That's the purpose of this video, to let y'all know we got a connection when it comes to this pickiness. And I want the right folks to be following me on this channel. So I'm going to tell y'all this story about me being a picky eater. See if you fit in to this story. I know some of y'all gonna be scared to hear this thing, but you know what? You gonna do it. You heard me. Yeah, man. I get to have a cooking show right now. Amen to that. We ain't talking about tomorrow. We ain't talking about next year. We ain't talking about next month. We got a cooking show right now. Amen to that. Today, we talking about the picky eater. The picky eater. The club I'm in, the club you probably in because you clicked on this video. So either you curious about hearing picky people's story or it is you. And 3 things that I think qualify you to be in the picky people club. Number 1, what's number 1? It only makes sense to you. Don't make no sense to nobody else. There ain't no way you can explain it. You can explain it 1,000, million, 1,100 times. It ain't gonna make sense to nobody but you. Number 2, you for real picky, you'll suffer for it. You get a whooping, you can get on punishment, you could be starving, you ain't ate for 3, 4, 5 days. If you don't eat that, you don't eat that. Tell me I'm lying. Number 3. What's number 3? What's third? What's the third thing? If you're a picky person. Oh, texture. Texture is a deal breaker. I don't care how good it smells. I don't care how good it look. If it get in your mouth and ain't the right texture, deal breaker. You ain't gonna eat. Tell you now, you ain't gonna eat. It's over with. That's that on that. Them 3 things I know. I know it's probably more, but them 3 things right there. If you resonated with them 3 things, you for real picky, man. You in a picky club with me. And I ain't always been trying all these different things. It started out me being birthed into the world. I just didn't like nothing. It was terrible when I was a kid. I ain't eat nothing. Like we had a hamburger, you know, I have a hamburger, can't have no onions, no lettuce, no none of that. Just be the burger and some ketchup and some bread. And you can't put it on the bread until it's time to eat it. You put it on there way before I eat it and it gets soggy, that grease get all up in it and the bread mushy with the grease. I ain't gonna eat it. Man, only fish I ate growing up was whiting. My mama made whiting and fish sticks. Couldn't eat no catfish cause, you know, catfish got that gray stuff down the back. Where you pull the little skin out, that little gray slime and stuff right there. I ain't eating no catfish. Ain't no way in the world I'm eating no catfish. I'm growing up. You know, wasn't no putting no mustard on nothing. Wasn't no putting no mustard, no mayonnaise, pickles. Hell no. Anything like a vegetable or something, you can't put that on my hamburger. I ain't finna eat no vegetables. Only thing I ate was really potatoes and meat, and the meat had to be plain. We ain't have steak growing up. I ain't know nothing about no steak. I ain't know nothing about no shrimp. I ain't found that out till like I was grown. My mom didn't buy this stuff like that. I ate cereal. She didn't buy no sweet stuff, so we just had to eat no cornflakes. We had to put our own sugar in our cereal growing up. She wouldn't buy no sweet cereal, so I missed out on it. I'd eat ice cream. Ice cream got to be vanilla. Can't be no strawberry. Can't be no. I might eat some chocolate ice cream, but you talking about some ice cream with some fruit in there, some chocolates. I ain't finna do it. Can't do it. I eat vanilla ice cream all day, but talking about some chocolates or some creative ass creation, ain't gonna eat that. I wouldn't eat no macaroni. There's so many things I wouldn't eat, and it would only make sense to me. Then, you know, when we picky, you know, going to gatherings, holidays, you know, you going over your kinfolk house. I remember going to my Aunt Azora house. Now she'll pile your food on this high, which is lovely, like this here. Everything you pick out, she piling up like this. So, you know, if you love it, oh, you having, man, it's going down. But me, I'm sitting in the corner, hungry as hell. I can't eat none of this stuff. I don't fool with nothing she cooking. I ain't finna do it. Only thing I might have ate was bacon. You know, I ate bacon in her house for breakfast because can't mess bacon up. It's just meat. You fry the bacon up, and you know, it ain't out Zora, so she piling the bacon up like this, boy. I'm like, I'm tearing back. I'm talking about, looking back, she spent so much money on food feeding us, cause she'll just pile, man. Whoo, that's all I can say. Then like potlucks, if potlucks at work and stuff like that, I'm not finna eat at no potluck, man. I just don't trust other people's food like that. That's just honest. You know, I don't know how you prepared it. You know, I wasn't there when you did it. You know, you might have pit bull puppies and snake babies in your house. I don't know. I just can't. I can't do it. You know, I might come back there and be like, hey, what's up, y'all? Yeah, you hear me? Yeah, oh man. Out of there. You hear me? You don't see me with no plate. I'm gonna have no plate. I just pick it. I just can't do it. But you know what changed it for me was cooking, learning how to cook, man, and understanding why things, you know, were put in the food, understanding the whole process, the breakdown of it. That took out a lot of the fear for me. So that's how I got to this point right here of being slick adventurous. Cause I'm still picking. I still stuff I ain't gonna do. I had to be intentional about a whole lot of things, but I want to be able to say for real, I don't like that. This why. I do like this. This is why. So you know, through my food journey, I have been able to, you know, honestly tell you I don't like this because of that. I don't like this because of that, or I like eggs. I don't eat no damn eggs. Hell no. But I will eat eggs in fried rice, or I eat eggs, you know, in a dish where I can't just see it. But the texture of eggs, I just can't do. Something about eggs to this day, I just can't do it. Now I put it in you know, like I say, fried rice or something like that. Or you gonna bake it into a cake, or it go into a soup. You temper it and put it into a soup to make the soup have a certain effect or something like that. But just eating eggs in the morning or something like that, scrambled all up, or sunny side up or fried, and you throw it on my burger. I'm finna pull that up out my burger. It can't stay in there. I can't do no eggs. Can't do it. I don't know why, but I tried. I know I don't like this, so I do way less assuming, and I just go on in there and give it a try. But that's why I started Kanin Cuisine. You know what I'm saying? I cook for the picky people and from the picky people's perspective. You know, try to give you some more options and try to you know, explain why I'm doing what, and then give you my interpretation of what it tastes like, what it feel like in my mouth, you know, just all the things I know that matter to a picky eater. So that's the perspective that I'm cooking from. So if you want to follow me on here and you picky, this is a good channel for that. Cause see, I'm just gonna tell you how it really is, and I'm a picky person. So you know, if I like it, something got to be good about it. I'm gonna tell you my perspective on what it is that I'm eating, so you can have a little more trust. You can feel a little more adventurous, because you know some people who just eat anything, you know, they just tell you, oh, it's so delicious, or, you know, you just and they just expect you to just jump in. But if you picky, that ain't enough for me. I need some more information. I need to know, you know, a whole lot of things about the texture, you know, the smells, you know, all them. So I need more information before I try anything. You know what I'm saying? People that just be eating because you supposed to eat food, they don't need no information. They say it look pretty, I'm jumping in. No, when you pick it, you need a whole lot more information, and I'm here to give it to you and help you out. Hopefully I can help you go to the next level. You know what I'm saying? Like this dish I'm gonna do this week called with pastina. It's a pasta that I found, and it was people in some parts of Italy, they eat it for breakfast. It's just little balls of pasta, and they put a chicken stock or water in it, and they you know, cook it like risotto until it's nice and creamy, and they eating it. So my mind said, you know, if I wanted to cook shrimp and grits, but somebody don't like grits. But I introduced them to this pastina, which is pasta. They love pasta. They just didn't know that pasta came in the little balls, and it would have a similar texture as a grit would. And I make shrimp with pastina. That's a dish right there. Or if you somebody that don't like rice, cause you picky, it had to make sense to nobody but you. So if you want some shrimp and rice, we can substitute this pastina. Now you got shrimp and pastina. You can treat it as a substitute for a risotto. You know what I'm saying? So that's how I be looking at recipes, like what I can take out, what I can put in. Either way, I got control. It's all about having the control that you want, adding in or taking out what you like. You can make your own dish. All you need is a foundation. Then you can just build from there. And you eat more stuff. Because I know picky people get tired of eating the same thing. And this is most stuff you can eat if you just try, or you just know what to substitute out, or just have a better mindset. If your mindset get broader, then you can enjoy more things. And that's what I hope that you'll get from checking out the Kanin Cuisine channel. So I thank the Lord for y'all every time. And I know if you made it this far, you fool with me. And I know you picky. Some of y'all picky. Looking at this right now, I know some of y'all picky, and y'all need to go on, hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell so you'll know when a new video come out and all that. So y'all can keep up with me now, so I can go on keep blessing you with some stuff that you can eat. Because I want your mind to get big. I want you to be able to have some vision about food going forward in the future. And check out the description box, because I got some stuff down there you might want to browse through. And for sure, join my email list so you'll know about that lamb, because I am the smoked lamb specialist. My lamb good. My lamb good. You hear me? So I need you to go to my website, CaninCuisine.com. Get on that email list so you'll get the email when I'm cooking the next time. Because I ain't cooking every weekend. I'm cooking once a month right now. If the demand gets greater, then we'll do more things. But get that lamb in your mouth. And I know some of y'all gonna be scared, but you know what? You gonna do it. You heard me.